In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana and Zapier using app connections. We'll start in Asana so you can see exactly what account you're connecting. Go ahead and open Asana in your browser and navigate to your My Workspace inbox. This is usually accessible from the left-hand sidebar under your workspace or organization. The reason we start here is simply to confirm you're logged into the correct Asana account before giving Zapier access. If you have multiple workspaces or accounts, just double-check that you're in the one you actually want to automate. Once that's confirmed, open a new tab and head over to Zapier. From your Zapier home screen, look for the section or menu labeled App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps all the apps you've authorized it to use. Click on App Connections to open that page. On the App Connections page, you'll see a list of any apps you've already connected. To add Asana, look for a button that says Add Connection and click it. This tells Zapier you want to create a new link to another tool. A panel or window will appear with different options and filters. Follow the on-screen highlights that guide you through selecting which type of connection you want to add. If you see any drop-downs or search fields, just continue clicking where the interface indicates, moving through those highlighted areas until you get to the app search. Now, in the list or search box of available apps, type Asana if needed, then click on Asana when it appears. You may see Asana listed more than once as you move through the flow. Each time you see it as the highlighted choice, click Asana to confirm that this is the app you want to connect. Next, you'll be brought back to a screen in Zapier where you can finalize this new connection. Again, click Add Connection to start the authorization process between Zapier and Asana. At this point, Zapier will redirect you to an Asana authorization page. Here, Asana is asking whether you want to allow Zapier to access your workspace. Carefully review the permissions shown on the screen. When you're comfortable with what Zapier will be able to do, click Allow. You may see this Allow button in a few slightly different confirmations or screens. Each time Asana asks you to confirm access for Zapier, go ahead and click Allow to proceed. Once you've gone through those Allow prompts, you'll be taken back into Zapier, and your Asana account will now appear as a connected app under App Connections, ready to use in your Zaps.